Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin now, stand about 3 to 6 feet from a distinct target and relax your shoulders. Once positioned, form a small triangular aperture with both hands or use a paper card with a 1/2-inch hole and extend your arm fully. Keep both eyes open and center the target in that aperture. You're creating a precise alignment so each eye's contribution becomes clear. Hold steady, don't squint. This controlled starting point makes the next swap decisive and reliable. Now test dominance. With the target centered, close your left eye and note whether the target stays in the aperture. Then open left and close right. If the target stays centered when one eye is open but shifts when the other is used, that staying eye is dominant. Repeat this swap 3 times to rule out guesswork. If results vary, try alternating the hand aperture or change the distance slightly. Consistency across trials is what confirms dominance, so don't rush. Finish by validating your finding. Extend an arm, point at a distant object with both eyes open, then close each eye to see which maintains alignment. Once done, make sure results match your aperture test. If you get conflicting outcomes, rest 5 minutes and repeat. Eye fatigue or straining often causes temporary shifts. If results remain inconsistent or you experience blur or double vision, schedule an eye exam. That rules out vision disorders and ensures your dominance measurement is accurate and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.